Today we're going to add a little bit of Roush styling to my 2018 Mustang GT. This is the Roush Winglet that'll fit your 2015 through 2018 Mustang. Now I got a confession to make here. When these first came out, I got a set for my 2015. I didn't think I'd actually want to leave them on the car, but I installed them. They're actually one of my favorite modifications as they add a really nice custom subtle touch to the car. So today we're going to install a set on my 2018. The Roush Winglets are going to install with double stick tape and hardware. So the first thing we're going to do is clean the area where the tape's going to go with some rubbing alcohol. Now, the installation is very, very simple. Once you clean the area, basically you pull down slightly on this, and it's going to go underneath it. Push it forward, push it against the rocker. Basically, that's where it's going to sit. So what we're going to do now is kind of pull down on it, pull the tape off, push it up into place, then install the provided hardware. And then grab the provided hardware. Use a nut driver, even if you have a small drill. The plastic's pretty soft. Just basically push it up and turn. And repeat the process on the other side and your installation is finished. The Roush rocker winglets are made right here in the US, and I always felt added a nice finished look to the rocker on the S550 Mustang. The installation is very simple. All you'll need is a 7mm socket or nut driver. Figure about 15 minutes, we'll be back on the road in no time.